We have a new release of Catalister. In this video, I'm going to take you really quickly over all the things that are new and how you can use them. The first thing, which I personally think is the coolest, because so many of you guys have already shared the app, which we are really grateful for, we have now added a referral program. What this basically is you can earn up to 300 euros in credits by inviting friends. How this works is when you click on here, you can generate a referral link and you can use this link to refer friends. When they sign up with this link, you can go here and you can see your referral history. And when they have a paying subscription, so when they just sign up, you will see subscription status inactive. Then, when they have a paying subscription, so they have subscribed to a plan, you will see this inactive and credits will be added to your account. For every referral, you get 50 euros in credits. You can get up to 6 referrals. The second thing, which I think is super cool, is we've added a new section in the template builder. Some of you might have already seen it. It's basically this section where you can now give us custom tags or custom instructions for tags, product type, alt text, and also meta title and description. What this basically does is this will, when you turn on the AI part of these, so AI text, AI product type, alt text, you can now give us instructions as to what these would be. So before we would basically generate it for you. Now you have the freedom to tell us what type of text you want, what type of meta title and description you want. So you can just add your prompt here. It's very simple, it's just a short text field. Describe how you want these things to be. Then save it, and then you can use it in, I mean, obviously this is not going to work, right? Because I've added test everywhere and the name is also test. But then when you add a new batch, you can use these things. So let's really quickly create a batch and then you can see where you can find this. You can here under the custom instructions, you can turn this on and then you can basically select this. That means now you will be using the custom instructions. And then when you turn this on, we override these, as in, well, we will make this with the custom instructions. The next thing that might be even cooler, at least I'm really proud of this, is we have now added a template builder for the title. So for the description, we already basically had a template builder, but for the title, we didn't have. So how does this work? Now, if you want to create a new template, you click on new template, and then you select template builder or advanced mode. Advanced mode is just basically like a prompt field like you had before. And if you click on template builder, we basically have a few examples, as in what do you want? Google, Meta, Facebook, Amazon, Pinterest, or create from scratch. In this case, I'm going to select Google. And then here you can drag and drop your boxes, as in you can build your title. And then obviously I will listen to this template. Product name is a name you want to give the product. And then, for example, you drag this block here, as it's here. Then here you can give an instruction for this block and you can give a sample value. So you can also create an example so that REI will know like, hey, this is how the title should be. So if you, for example, change this to this, you will see like this would change here. So this is completely interactive. You have the blocks here, as in like you can generate blocks here, restructure them, reorganize them, delete them. Here we have a divider. That means, for example, this part in here, product type is the cocktail dress would be, target audience would be the women's part. I don't think I gave a name now. Then we have the feature, that's, well, would be a feature, and then the benefit. And you can obviously describe like what you want this to be. Then we also have some general instructions. You can just keep adding instructions here. You can delete them. For example, here you can add a test, then it will be added here. You can delete it, and then you can save it like normal. So you can save the title. It would be a new one, right? I would call it test 2. And then you can use this, obviously, when you are creating your product pages. And last but not least, we have new subscriptions. So, really important to know, we do not, if you already have a subscription, we do not change you from the old subscription to the new one by ourselves. You can obviously change, like you can always choose newer subscriptions, and you can just do this by going to the billing page and just selecting the new plan. Then, yeah, we have these plans. You can go over this. Basically, the biggest change is everything now has access to Realister. Everything gets access to Analyster. That's this part. It's really exciting. It's basically our Google Ads integration. I'm not even going to show this. Then we have, yeah, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Every product now has 50 credits per month. So basically the plans, they are for features, and you can just buy extra credits while you need on the go. And the plans basically are, the bigger the plan, the more features you get. So yeah, that's the quick update for the new version of Catalister. Good luck and good listing.